Hi everybody, welcome back to Love It to Eat, family style cooking show. Always here with this one right here,
Mama Franca.
And on today's episode, we're making something, again, very simple but very delicious. So Christmas holidays, we do a lot of jam-filled cookies. Well, today, Ma, what are we making?
Mini jam tarts.
And we will show you just how to make these delicious little bites coming up next
On
on Love It to Eat.
They're going into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or till the jam is nice and bubbly and the crust is golden brown.
Is a pie dough recipe that we use very often, right, Mom?
Very often, yeah.
In majority of a lot of our Christmas videos, it's a pie
Easter.
recipe. Yes, exactly. Easter, very popular for Easter.
Oh yeah.
It's a pie dough recipe that my mother learned from my grandmother.
Yeah, from Mama Nonia.
And we have the recipe that I will link up top for you as a standalone recipe for how popular it is. But like we said on the channel, it is the base of a lot of our pie crusts and cookies and tarts. So we ended up using that one. So you saw my mom do that dough. And then afterwards, jam, store-bought jam.
Yeah,
you can make
very
your own
simple.
homemade. That's totally fine too. We have cherry pie filling that you can also put inside here, which would be great.
Yeah.
I can link the cherry pie filling video for you as well. But it's just to show you sometimes with having a cute little ramekin or a cute little pie dish, and those ones pop out, so it makes it very easy afterwards once they've cooled, which they are doing now, because the jam gets all loosened again and very hot, so you really need these to chill and cool prior to removing them from the mold. And then you can dust it even with a little bit of powdered sugar. It would look honestly great on its own. A scoop of ice cream beside it.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
it's delicious.
Can't
So
go wrong with that, or whipped cream, or
simplicity, but it makes for a really, really nice add-on to any type of event or dinner or get together. So we hope you guys give this one a try. there you go. So I plated 6, but the recipe makes 12.
12, yeah.
So it's a great pie dough recipe that makes, honestly, really, really nice shaped. They're still warm, but they've semi-set enough for us to taste it and show you guys. But look how pretty, so good. So we're gonna give one a try. Very cute. It's honestly like a 4-bite. It's a 4-bite. So we're trying, yeah, good, okay. We're trying, I'm trying the strawberry. Super delicious.
And you can use whatever type of flavor of jam that you want.
Even these mini tart pans, you can buy them on Amazon, anywhere. You can make little key lime pies, graham cracker crust, etc. It's just this pie dough recipe. Give it a try, honestly. Favorite, Matt?
Favorite, bon appetit.
So good. Guys, it's the Italian jam
so
cookies.
Good, I can't even speak.
It's the Italian jam cookies as a pie. Thank you very much. Good night. So good. Check this recipe out on our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net. As mentioned, I will link the video exactly for the pie dough recipe, the Italian sweet pie crust recipe that my grandmother taught my mom, that we've been making throughout all of our traditions.
You can't go wrong with a recipe.
So good. And it's a dough that right away you can roll it and use it. So we love it so much. You will see the instructions, ingredients, all the step-by-steps. Follow it to the T or let it inspire you to make your own. Have a great summer. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Sunday. And until then, as always, continue to
Love it you eat.
love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao, buona domenica a tutti.
Yum.